Have you ever felt completely alone, even in a room full of people? Like you're smiling on the outside, but silently breaking inside? The truth is, Jesus sees you. He saw you before the pain, before the heartbreak, and he never turned away. He doesn't ask you to be perfect. He wants the broken, the tired, the real you. He meets you in your mess, not in your performance. While the world says, be strong, Jesus says, come to me. Not when you're cleaned up, but right now, as you are. He didn't die for the perfect. He died for the hurting. The cross wasn't a religious gesture. It was a rescue mission, and you were the mission. He didn't die for the crowd. He died for you, personally, intentionally, lovingly. While you were still in sin, he gave everything for you. You may think your pain disqualifies you, but in truth, it qualifies you for his mercy. Jesus walked with outcasts, he healed the broken, and he hasn't changed. Maybe you felt abandoned by people, but Jesus stays. He's not afraid of your past, your doubts, or your darkness. He brings light to your night, peace to your storm, and hope to your hopelessness. He never promised a life without suffering, but he did promise his presence in the fire, in the flood, in the silence. You're not too far gone, not too broken. You are still chosen, still loved, still redeemable. That addiction, that anxiety, that shame, he carried it all so you don't have to. And when you whisper, Jesus, I need you, even through the tears, he comes running. Not with judgment, but with grace. Because he's not done with you. In fact, he's just getting started. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You are deeply, fully, eternally loved. And your scars, they'll be stories of grace. Your pain, a platform for his power. So lift your head. Your story isn't over. The Savior is still writing. The best is yet to come.